Alright, it looks like B&H just sent me a present. Now, of course, I paid for it, but let's check it out. Alright, look at this. It's a Samyang 14mm 2.8. Pretty excited. Korea. Pretty solid packaging. Come on, guys. Really? It's okay. It's okay. I think I know how to use a lens. Oh, there's actually a quality certificate. This guy actually said that it was good quality, I guess. You guys see this? It's got a scuff already. Makes me wonder if it's even new. Just trying to inspect all the elements. I mean, this is pretty dusty. It's like dog hair. There's dust all over here. I just got this from B&H. I was excited. Now I'm not very excited. I mean, there's just dust all in there. I'm still wondering why it's so dusty. If it was all sealed up. Does not look like it's new. I mean, it just looks like there's... It's not bad condition, but it's not new. Look at this. There's fingerprints on it. Of course it's full of dust too, but the fingerprints. Come on. Look at all this dust. Come on, B&H. What are you guys trying to do here? A little dirty there. It's not even a fingerprint. That's just dirty. It looks like a scuff mark. But I mean, I don't know, I'm not trying to be picky here, but this is actually a little ding there. feeling this was just ordered and returned for whatever reason. So B&H just put it back into their new pile. Of course, I wanted to try it out, so I got it. Well, let's put it onto the camera. This, by the way, wonderful. Kind of worried about all this dust getting into my camera now. Not sure if that helps, but I mean, it feels good. It feels very good. I'm just hoping that it holds up. My nose must have touched it. It's got a little bit of grease in there. Let me wipe this down. You would think they would give you this little cheap little cloth with your lens, because you're gonna need it. But it's okay. It's okay. Alright. I mean, that's amazing as far as how wide it is. I mean, I'm holding it like an inch away and it fits into the camera. That's crazy. Right there it fits. That's crazy, isn't it? This is my crop button. Pretty sharp. I like it. I mean, at first glance, it looks pretty good. I'll have to give it a shot. See how it holds up. Looks pretty good. I mean, focuses, it's crazy. Look at this. My hand fits. And it's that close. It's crazy. So, overall, it feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. This is plastic. This is aluminum. This is plastic. And it's not mechanical. It's when you spin this, I guess inside there's a little motor that'll adjust. so it kind of spins infinitely. But it looks good. It doesn't look cheap. Small and super crazy wide. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Yeah, so I think it's a pretty good lens. I don't know, I'm surprised about all this. It's not new. So maybe I'll reach out to B&H, see what's up. But, thanks for watching. I will be posting another review after I use it for a little while. I got this mostly for video, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.